everybody, this is Grant McLean over at Johnson RV, home of Oregon's largest premium pre-owned RV inventory. Today I'm going to show you a walk around of this beautiful 2014 Unity 24MB. It's a gorgeous color. The body looks fantastic. This is full body paint. As you can see, it is the Mercedes Benz diesel chassis, so top notch there. And right up front here you see we have easy access into the cab for the passenger. Have the running boards there, so really easy to get in. The leather is beautiful quality, and then you have the all-weather floor mats too that are going to come with this. We're going to make our way around the outside first. So you can see we have the retractable step to get in and out. Down here we have side cameras, so that way your blind spot monitoring is going to be a lot easier. We have some great under storage down here, which is carpeted as well. And then coming back, we have your generator. Super easy access to that. Okay, this is a Cummins 3600 LP. We have two storage compartments in the back here. We have a nice tall storage with a little cubby up top here and some racks. That way if you have small items, you don't have them like rattling around all over the place. And then on the bottom, we have more storage down here, and this will have a little knob that you can put so that way it doesn't slam on your head. Come around to the back here. We have a ladder so you can access the top. You have solar panels up top. You have a rear view camera there. This is going to go to your bathroom, and you can see it is privacy glass. And then down here, you'll have your hitch for your trailer if you're going to be pulling any toys. We have easy access to your utilities here and your outdoor shower right there. Again, you'll see more of the privacy glass. This is a frameless window. Cool thing about those windows, you can actually open them while it's raining because of the way that they angle. And then more privacy glass with the frameless windows. On the driver's side, again, you have your little camera there, so if you're cruising down the road, your blind spot is going to be easy to see. This is going to be access for the driver. Again, on this side, the leather looks beautiful, great quality. You have the all-weather floor mats. You also have a nice little shade here, so when you're parked, you can pull those shades. Give yourselves a little extra privacy. Let's go ahead and jump on inside, show you around. All right, come on over this way. So you can see that step automatically comes out. Take you inside, and we'll start over here. So come on in. So when you come in, to make sure that you don't accidentally step down in this when the door is closed, there's a nice little, I want to say metal piece here that goes over it, so that way you don't accidentally, step down in there and twist your ankle or something. So first you're going to see you have your solar. This is your solar controller. This is your generator controller. This is also monitoring your water tanks. Down here in the stairwell, you'll actually see your battery cutoff right there and a few extra switches that are going to run the house, and we'll jump into that in a second. But you have a lot of storage. So before I open this, you can see over the cab, tons of storage. I really like these little locks that they put on there. They look really classy. They function really well. You have a big storage here for your coats. You actually have coat hangers in there already. Down here, nice little cubby storage. This will be perfect for like your shoes, maybe your dog leash and toys, things like that. Now, this is a Murphy bed model. On the side here, this is the part of the slide out that pushes out. So you actually have a Murphy bed back here, which you may not even notice unless you are really looking for it. You have this awesome U-shaped dinette. The dinette can turn into a bed on its own, but most people I think are going to be using that Murphy bed. And you have a lot of nice, comfortable sitting space. Down here, you can put your blankets, your pillows, underneath that bench perfectly. If you're, say, sitting here having dinner and you want to watch a show, on the side there's actually a little button, and out pops your hidden TV. How neat is that? So you don't have your TV taking up extra space, and this will be perfect, especially if you're a working professional on the road. You can kind of use this as a desk space. Above that counter space, you have a ton of storage again. You have your windows with the privacy glass, and you do also have your blackout shades there too. Now over here in the kitchen has massive space. You can put all sorts of food up here. You want to do, you know, a couple canned goods, or maybe you want to do a little rice-a-roni for the road. You could toss that on up there. The counters are really nice. These are the coriander counters. You have a big stainless steel sink, nice and deep there, and the faucet has the retractable kind of swivel head, which is really cool if you're trying to get, you know, everything out of it. You have a little hidden garbage can back here. This is great for like when you're chopping up your veggies. You can toss them in there as your compost. Spice rack. You have a 2-burner stove. And then you have a ton of storage all the way down. So everything from your utensils, maybe your pots, pans, dishes can go in there. And if you do need a little extra space, you have a nice little extra counter right there. On the opposite end, you have your fridge. You got your freezer, your refrigerator. Above that, you have your microwave convection oven. And this is one of the things that I really like about this unit is they make the most of the space. Look how big this pantry is. You can fit tons of stuff in here, and then it tucks away beautifully. Now, into the bathroom, one of the things I like about this unit is you have this really neat pocket door. It's thin, it slides very easily. To give you that separation, now you have that privacy. Come on in. This is actually a separate toilet and shower, and the shower, because of its shape, even though it might look small, it feels very big, and you can see it, the skylight inside goes really high. So if you're taller, it's perfect. You have storage over the toilet, you have a towel rack, and then you have your storage over the toilet. You have a really tall mirror on the back side of that door. And then over here at your sink, you have lots of storage underneath the sink. You have storage like crazy inside here as well. And then if you wanted a mirror on this side, you can actually push these together and you have a mirror as well. Now, storage just keeps going. So here's a little bit more storage. This is also works as a pass-through to the outside. If for some reason you had something in here that you needed to access from the outside, you can. You have a huge closet, and check this out. The closet is kind of cool because there's a little cover over the rail for your hanger, and as you're going down the road, that'll probably help with your clothes just sliding back and forth. And then, just like your dressers at home, big, deep storage. So this is gonna be great if you're going for a little bit longer trip, you don't have a laundry facility, you can definitely pack a lot of food in those pantries. You can pack a lot of clothes, and you're gonna be cruising around in arguably one of the best made RVs in the country. So anyways, you guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Grant McLean. Give me a buzz here at Johnson RV or talk to any of the other professional outfitters, and we'll get you dialed in with this rig. Thanks.